idisi gweru mbinga Lazarus chikadaya ties sana vena mashukobdanyo kwa panapa vana vachiti aiwa panapa Zvigananda panguva ino aiwa zvaungorova pidiguru waenda don't subscribe or like on the bell icon tipina panapa muddanyo kwa mchinzi idi gweru businessman Lazarus T chikadaya ties in Harare. ZANU-PF is mourning the sudden passing of renowned gweru tenderpreneur Lazarus T Chikadaya, who died early this morning in Harare. Chikadaya, widely known as a founder and managing director of Rolling Civil Engineering, was hailed by the ZANU-PF-controlled state media as a towering figure in the Midlands economic landscape. Details surrounding the cause of his death are still emerging, but sources confirm that he passed away peacefully in the capital. Tributes have been already begun to pour in on social media, with many describing him as a visionary leader, generous mbinga, and a passionate patriot who always wore his heart and often his scarf for Zimbabwe. Central Radio 95.8, which broke the news on their social media platforms, described him as a trailblazer whose legacy in civil engineering will not be forgotten. Chikadaya's larger than life presence, community contributions, and unmistakable love will be deeply missed. Plans for his funeral and memorial are expected to be announced soon. Thomas Kwamranyo kwa pana papa msoro akukutisia kuita wana Chikadaya panguva ine tudze mafunguro enyu bibi msoro pechitko ichi. Ina comment section yetu za mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.